Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for overall fitness? Hey fitness enthusiasts! Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to building a strong core, two exercises often come to mind: sit-ups and crunches. Both are staples in many workout routines. But which one is truly better for overall fitness? Sit-ups. The classic core builder, sit-ups have been a go-to exercise for decades. They involve lifting your entire upper body off the ground, which engages not only your abdominal muscles, but also your hip flexors, chest, and neck muscles. This makes sit-ups a comprehensive exercise for your core and surrounding muscles. Crunches. The targeted approach. Crunches, on the other hand, focus more specifically on the abdominal muscles. By lifting only your shoulders off the ground, crunches put less strain on your lower back and hip flexors. This makes them a safer option for those who might have back issues or are just starting their fitness journey. Which one is better? The choice between sit-ups and crunches depends on your fitness goals and physical condition. If you're looking for a more comprehensive core workout that also engages other muscle groups, sit-ups might be your best bet. However, if you want to focus specifically on your ABS and reduce the risk of lower back strain, crunches are a great option. Thank you for watching. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.